Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to use Zelle on Citibank app. First, make sure your Citibank mobile app is up to date. Open the app and sign in with your online banking credentials. Tap Payments at the bottom of your screen. Select Send Money with Zelle on the right side. If you're new to Zelle, enroll by agreeing to the terms, selecting your email or phone number, and choosing the Citibank account you'll use. Once enrolled, go back to the Payments tab and tap Zelle again. Now choose Send, Request, or Split. Enter your recipient's phone or email, add the amount, set the date, and write a note if needed. And that's it. That's how to use Zelle on Citibank app. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.